Crafty Girls.
We've been members of Always Ice Cream for a very long time.
Yeah, like 100 years.
Maybe not that long, but a very long time. Before we were even the Crafty Girls.
I was always a Crafty Girl. See this picture? I made it when I was 4.
What is it?
It's Mom, of course.
Yeah, that looks a lot like her.
Anyway, we're still having so much fun on Always Ice Cream.
Our mom bought a membership for us because we can learn a lot while we're online.
We really love this site and we want to show you why. So come on, let's check it out.
Before you can do much else here, you need to earn some scoops.
This is money in the game. You get scoops when you watch a video where you can learn something.
Living in Spain, Christopher Columbus always dreamed of navigating the ocean and discovering brand new passages to countries such as India and China.
And you can earn even more when you practice what you learn in one of the hundreds of learning games. Like this one. I learned all 50 states in just a few days.
Michigan, North Carolina.
Wow, Rachel. There are tons of things you can do with your scoops. I like to feed my pets. Aren't they cute? There's so much more you can do on here.
I like to check out what other kids write in the newspaper. And look, here's the article I wrote. And all the comments by other kids. Someone even advertised for their shop under my article. And guess what? I get scoops when somebody advertises under my newspaper article.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
This is my favorite game. I like to buy the best weapons when I play Super Dragonfire.
Wow, Rachel, you're good. I know,
Thanks.
right?
I actually have the top record on here.
You're famous. I like to design artwork and clothes to put in my shop or dress up my avatar. Some kids create amazing castles. Look at the cool furniture that they put into their rooms. This is one of my favorite games. It's a word guessing game. And if you get all the words right, you earn scoops. So I just earned 10 scoops. I love the dog breed game.
What's a golden retriever?
I know, right here. And then there are videos. We love videos.
We've made almost 200 videos on our Crafty Girls YouTube channel.
That's what we're known for.
On Always Ice Cream and Clever Dragons, you can create your own video and upload it to the site.
Your parents and the moderators need to approve it. But if you follow the rules, that should not be a problem. The best videos are the ones that teach other kids how to do something.
A couple of years ago, we created a video on how to make a video.
It was really fun. We looked so much younger in that video.
Neither of you had teeth back then. These are just some of the things you can do on Always Ice Cream. We were asked to keep this video short, so we have to stop now.
But there is so much more. There are teams,
Races against dragons,
or other members, and you can make friends.
Check it out. We hope you love this site as much as we do.
We always love ice cream. I mean, we love Always Ice Cream.